Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use magnifier in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates. Now what you have to go for a magnifier app. So first of all, let me tell you how magnify apps look like in iPhone. This is already stored in your phone, but if you don't have magnifier, just you have to go to your app store and here you have to search for magnifier. So you can see there's an option. This is the icon, like black icon of magnifier. You can see this written as Apple. So this is the only app offered by Apple magnifier. So this is the original that will be stored in your mobile phone. So if you don't have stored in your mobile phone, what you have to do, you have to just go to your app store and you can easily download. So now what you have to do, just open this app. This app is used for the special features like zoom, brightness, contacts. Like if you want to control the app mobile phone through this mode, you can easily control. So you can see I have primary controls and other controls. So in the primary controls I have set one thing like zoom the thing. If you want to zoom anything, like if you take an object and put it under your phone and you want to scan it, and if you want to zoom it, this will help you zoom it in a clear image. So this will help you out. So this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the more updates. Let me tell you how you can add any control or remove any control. You just have to press on that to add and you have to press on minus to remove the control. There are two controls, primary controls and other controls. So this is shown in the control panel. If you want to sound haptic speed sound, so you have to enable it. So this is all the setting of this. Hope so you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel.